In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable international calling in Dialpad. If your team needs to reach customers or partners outside your country, turning on international calling in Dialpad is quick and straightforward. You'll just need to be signed in with the right permissions. This process requires an admin role, either a company admin or an office admin. If you don't have admin access or the options you expect aren't visible, check with whoever manages your organization's Dialpad account to confirm your role. Start by logging in to your Dialpad account as an admin. Once you're in, head to the admin settings area. From there, navigate to billing, then select credits and usage, and open the settings section. Depending on your layout, this may appear in a sidebar or as tabs across the top. If you're managing multiple offices, make sure you've selected the correct office before you proceed so the change applies where you intend. Inside the credits and usage settings, look for the international calling option. You'll see a toggle that controls whether international calls are allowed. Turn that toggle on. In many accounts, this change takes effect immediately. In some cases, you may be prompted to confirm or save your update. If you do see a confirmation, go ahead and accept it so the setting is applied. Keep in mind that enabling this at the company level can affect all offices, while enabling it at the office level applies only to that specific office. Next, make sure your account is ready for the associated costs. International calling typically incurs per-minute charges, which vary by destination. You'll want to ensure your account has sufficient calling credits, so calls don't fail mid-conversation. If your organization makes frequent international calls, consider subscribing to a global or international calling plan or add-on that can lower per-minute rates or bundle usage. The billing section is also where you can check your current credit balance, see usage, and understand the rates that apply. If your team's calling patterns are seasonal or unpredictable, keeping a buffer of credits can help prevent interruptions. That's all it takes. Log in as an admin, go to admin settings, open billing, then credits and usage, turn on international calling, and confirm you've got the credits or plan to support your calling needs. With that done, your users will be able to place international calls according to your organization's Dialpad configuration and billing setup. If anything doesn't look right, revisit the same settings to verify the toggle is on and review your balance. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to enable international calling in Dialpad with confidence.